Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I am Kantharaj from Nagar branch. So today I am going to teach you how to use the transpose function in MS Excel. So the function name is transpose. So is equals to TRANSPOSE, transpose on the bracket. So in the transpose function, we can arrange the text vertically. For example, here the text is January 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 12. And here we have the month. So I need in a vertical direction. Presently it is in a horizontal direction. I need in a vertical direction, in this direction. So to convert the text from horizontal to the vertical by using the headings, we need to use the function called as transpose. So transpose is the function which is used to convert the headings and the numbers from the horizontal to vertical wise. So first, type some information. So just count how many columns are there. How many columns? 2 columns, and the rows are 12 rows. So select the same 2 columns with including up to 12 rows. So here we have the 12 columns and 2 rows exactly matching for this text. So after selecting the cells, press F2 so we can get. Without pressing F2, just if I double click, automatically it will be getting deselected. So first select the 2 rows with including the columns and F2. Now type the formula is equals to transpose open the bracket. So the array selected text will be the array. Close the bracket. Now Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. So press Enter key, Control Shift Enter. Then all the text will be converted from horizontal to vertical. So January 1, February 2 and December 12. So the same text typed in the horizontal position that will be converted into the vertical position by using the transpose function. So this is how we are going to use transpose function in MS Excel. Thank you for watching.